Welcome to the channel. Today we will explore how to choose the right photo format in the Photoroom app on your phone. This is an important feature if you want to save your images in the best quality for different purposes. First, open the Photoroom app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the content icon. Then, once you're in the content section, find and tap on Settings. Here, you can choose between JPG, PNG, or WebP formats, depending on your needs. JPG is ideal for smaller file sizes and sharing on social media. PNG is perfect for images that need a transparent background or higher quality. WebP is a modern format that offers a balance between quality and smaller file size. Finally, select your preferred format. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.